Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I am doing my next Skittles installment of the Skittles juice inspired looks. And as you can see, I got a lot of purple on today, so that is the one I decided to do next. The Wildberry Skittles. And these are good, by the way. They taste exactly like the candy. So I don't know if I said that in the last video, but so I tasted the Wildberry. It tastes just like the candy. And making sure I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. So today I used a new palette, and this is the palette that I said in a previous video that I had been waiting on for the longest. I had to end up emailing them, and they said that the order was lost some kind of way, so they did go ahead and send it to me. And this is a palette that, if you've heard of her, she is a old school makeup guru on YouTube, Time the Infamous, and she came out with a eyeshadow palette called Cake Face. So this is the palette and the colors. And with these vibrant colors, I couldn't pass up getting it. So I'll tell you which colors I used in the palette. I wanted to stick to the palette, but I had to jump out of it a couple times. So for the under the brow, the shimmer under the brow, I used You Guys, this color right here. And then to do the transition, blending transition color, I used Fully Baked. And that kind of looks pink on the camera, but it's actually a reddish brown. And then for the blending color, I used I got out of the palette and I used Sugar Pills Poison Plum. Open that up. And then to darken the crease area, I used a dark blue from this palette. This is from, I think, Cara Beauty. And I use, this is the Daydreamer Night Thinker palette. And I used the deep blue out of this one on the Night Thinker side. And so then I used a base from P. Louise. This is one of their Acid Rain primers in Ecstasy. It's a dark purple. So I laid that down first. Then on top, I got back in the palette and I used Lick It Off. That purple. And I did use a little bit in the crease, this color, this maroon cherry on top. I used that in the crease too. So I used that on the lid, and then I used a little bit of NYX pigment primer. To apply the only pressed glitter in here. They have some shimmers and mattes, and then they have one pressed glitter. And this is in the color Space, and it's iridescent. And this is her husband's name. I don't know if they're married, but her man. That's his name. And so it's a shimmer pressed glitter. So I just used my finger and applied that on top. So I think that was all I used for this look out of the palette. For the under eye, I just used a Jordana blue liner and Blue Divine. And then I used, I don't know if you can see it. My lashes underneath are purple. And I used a mascara, a colored mascara from ColourPop. And it's in Purple Prose. And the color of it is pretty much like that color. Like a light purple. So I used that on the lower lashes just to do something else creative. And then in the inner tear duct, I used, and this was from the same company from the last look, and I couldn't think of the name of the company, and it's called Chaos Makeup. They have a lot of really pretty iridescent shimmery colors. So this is in the color Moonbeam. And that's what I put in the inner tear duct area. For the lashes, these are lashes from Crystal Lashes. They're in the color Turning Violet. And if you've seen Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, you already know what that's about. And they're by Crystal Lashes. So we got purple here, we got purple in the middle. Okay, for the foundation, or for the skin complexion, I'm using NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, but I used it all over. And it's in the color Mocha. As you see, I put a lot of use into that. For the blush, I'm using a La Femme blush in the color Grape. And I've used it before, but I thought it would go with the look, so. And it looks kind of pale on camera, but it is a kind of a, I would say more of a, like a reddish berry color, but that's in Grape. Got that on the cheeks, and then for a highlight, I went with the oldie but goodie in Betty Luminizer. And for the lips, I went with another oldie but goodie. This is by Colored Rain, and if you know anything about her company, you know this is very old packaging. I don't even know if she still makes this color in particular, but it was real popular when she first came out, and it's called Arabian Night. And I know you probably can't see that, but yeah. So I thought that was I have many purples, but I thought this was a good purple to go with this look. And let's see, that's pretty much it. I like that shimmer from the space color in that palette. But yeah, so this is really good. The original was really good, and they really do taste like the candy. So I think that was it for this look. I will link the TikTok tutorial down below, and I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.